Good evening, Command. The Ottoman just here to show you the timing of 1MZ, the engine timing. You see the 1MZ in the engine side, 1MZ engine timing. So stay tuned. Let's go here from the camshaft. When you put your camshaft on top of the engine, see the camshaft on the engine, you can see it just shakes spreadsheet. Let's check it out from the camshaft. I can see a pointer, that means this is facing up. You can see a pointer, that means this is facing this markup. See this and this. So let me tighten the cap. So, I will explain more further for you so you can read the timing easily how I set it. Now I've tightened the camshaft. You can see for what I'm saying here. See the point start from, you can see a point here. There's a point here corresponding with this mark. And this mark will go with this angle there. You can see it on the cap there. This will go with this. This will go with this accurately. See this and this. See this. There's a point there. See the point there and the point there. And go with this straight away. It will go with each other. You see this facing up and see this one facing up. Both two are facing each other. And look from this side and look from this side, you can see. So why did I put this? Let me explain to you clearly. Why did I put this? I put this because when I turn the engine to get the accurate, to just get it, if the number one piston is fully up, that's why I lose the plug. I check inside, you see I lose the plug. You can see the inside. So I put it on the piston. So when I turn it here at the crankshaft here, when I turn in it, I will easily know when the piston is fully up. So the piston is fully up now. So my crankshaft is set already. Let me put the chain for the timing. You can see the point here at the crankshaft. The timing mark is going with it. The timing color chain is going with this, and this. Before putting the adjuster, before putting the chain guide and the adjuster. Now I've installed the chain. See the chain there now. Everything corresponding as I see it before putting the chain. You can see this right down from the crankshaft. You can see it from the crankshaft. Let it go up. Is it up? See this here. You can see this here. See it there. Straight away. See it. Or this here. See it there. So see this here and this here correspond with each other. You can see it there. See it there. Thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks, I would love you all.